Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how the canteen management process works, step by step from meal setup to real-time tracking and reporting. Firstly, the canteen management feature is available only in the Web Lite, Web Enterprise and Cloud Enterprise versions. Canteen management requires a separate device which will be integrated with our software. Go to Attendance. Then click on Canteen Management. You'll see three options: Canteen Menu, Canteen Timings, and Canteen Report. Under Canteen Menu, you can add or edit menus like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To add a new menu, click on Canteen Menu and fill in details like cafeteria menu name, cafeteria menu option, work code, employee contribution, and employer contribution. The created menus will appear here, and you can edit them by clicking the Edit option. In Canteen Timings, you can set timings for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Click Add Canteen Timings, fill in the name, select the menu, and set the time. Once saved, it will appear on the dashboard. In the Canteen Report option, you can generate various reports like daily reports, monthly reports, item-wise reports, and work code-wise reports. You can enter the employee code to generate various reports based on their canteen usage. Enter the employee code and click on the daily report option. The report will be generated, showing how many times the employee has punched for various menu items. Next, go to the monthly report option. Select the appropriate date range and click on monthly report to view the data. Once the report is generated, you can see the employee's punches for the month along with both employee and employer contributions. Next, go to the item-wise report option, where the report shows the details based on the items you have punched for. At last, we have work code-wise reports based on the work codes that we had set in the canteen menu option. Enter the employee code and click on work code-wise reports. Once the report is generated, you can see the punches based on the work codes. If your canteen devices support work codes, you can generate work code-based reports. If they are time-based devices, you can generate time-based reports accordingly. So these are the canteen management process, step by step from meal setup to real-time tracking and reporting.